We Sell Mats tumbling mats are designed for the gymnast, cheerleader, or other user looking for club quality products at an affordable price. They meet all CPSIA product safety standards and offer outstanding durability and value with far higher quality than the other brands can provide. Our top popular tumbling mats are available in thicknesses of 1.5 or 2 inches in a variety of sizes. They're made of cross-linked polyethylene foam and 18-ounce vinyl, which allow for the firmness and control many tumbling activities require. They come in a large variety of colors and can be firmly linked together, perfect for any size room. And when you're done, they fold for easy storage.
Hi friends, it's Nina, and today I'm unboxing Life for Me. First of all, it comes on a recycle box, which is awesome because it's eco-friendly. Once you open, it all also come already on their bag, carry-on bag. So the Life for Me mat come already on the carry-on bag that has you can adjust the straps if you need, if you're bigger and you need more room here. And it's also really well made bag. And plus they have this also, which has some instructions on how you can use an alignment yoga mat and how it works, what you should be looking at when using it. Nice, right? And let's go to the point. Once you open, I love this color. Look at this color. So they have different colors. This is the pinky one. So just opening a little bit so you can see a little bit more. That's the color, the Life for Me. And I love it. I really love it.